In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070003. So first thing you're going to do is you want to go here, type in Control Panel. So here you want to type in Troubleshoot. Go to Troubleshoot. Go to Other Troubleshooters. Here you will see Windows Update. I recommend running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So this troubleshooter will give you plenty of solutions that you can go through, and using these solutions and step-by-steps, you will be able to hopefully fix your issue. So once you finish here, you can close this down, and here you want to go to CMD, right-click, run as administrator, and type in sfc/scan now. Press enter and wait for a few minutes for it to load. Now you need to type in this second command. So this is the ISM /cleanup-image/restore health, and press enter and let it load. Once it finishes loading, you can just close this down now. Now I want you to go to here, this PC, and then go to local C, then go to Windows. So Windows should be here. So here's Windows, and here you want to go to software distribution. So software distribution. So here, go to software distribution and delete everything inside here, because these are unnecessary folders. Just click here and click delete. After you delete them, now you want to go to services. Okay, so hold on, services. Okay, now you want to go to Windows Update. So find Windows Update, and here you will be able to find it. So right click on it, go to properties. Now if it's not started, you want to click on start and make sure it's set to automatic, and then apply and okay. If it's already started, you want to click restart so you can restart the service. Just make sure it's started. So click start, apply and okay. And after that, make sure to restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.